Sneaker giveaways are back. That's right, guys. For the month of November, another crazy Rejuvenator giveaway is here. We'll be giving one lucky winner a chance at winning a pair of Grateful Dead SBs in your size. And these are valued over $1,000. All you have to do to enter, guys, is make sure you're subscribed to Rejuvenator, which you should be if you're watching this video. Follow Many Worlds on Instagram, which you can find in the description below, and sign up for the newsletter. And one lucky winner has a chance at winning these Grateful Dead SBs, guys. We have one more thing to do. You gotta go to gleam.io, which is linked in the description as well, and answer the secret question. And that's it, guys. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
What's going on, YouTube? Vick Almighty here, back with a special episode of Custom with Vick. You guys may remember back in August where Rejuvenator celebrated our 10-year anniversary with an all-day digital experience. During that experience, I hosted my first ever Tonight Show with Vick, where I interviewed some of my favorite customizers. We sent them each a Vick in a Box set that contained specialized gifts, a display box, a blank Air Force One, and one unique element to do a custom with. Today we're back with Malcom Garret to find out exactly what he did with the Vick in a Box custom. Stick around to the end of the video because I'll be giving you details on how to enter our Rejuvenator giveaway. Let's get Malcom on. Yo, what's going on,
What's
Malcom?
up, bro?
Dude, you're looking good, man. How you doing?
I'm chilling, man. I was just outside taking pictures.
I know, man. What were you taking pictures of?
Some biohacks that I just touched up a little bit, did the check and that.
That's what's up. I saw that. You also got the Oregons, didn't you?
Yeah, and I did these.
Ooh, those are crispy, dude. Those are nice. Dude, I think you're like the master at color blocking. Like the colors you picked, what you do, I'll give you that, dude. You're the master when it comes to that. I was looking at all your stuff on Instagram, you know, just going back. I keep up with your stuff. You those customs that you did, was it on an actual pair of Union Jordan 1s? Yeah. Dude, those came out sick, man. The color blocking on those, the colors that you picked. How do you come up with these colorways, man? Like, again, like color blocking isn't that easy. If you getting the right right colors to go together. And then it's not even about picking the 3 or 4 colors. You got to make sure they all go in the right place. You know what I'm saying? You got like 8 different panels to work with. You know what I'm saying? Because you can easily put the yellow over here and, you know, mess around with it. But at the end of the day, you can pick the 4 dopest colors or 5 colors or whatever. But if you don't place them right, it's going to look weird. I think you got that part on lock. Like the colors you choose and the placement. Same thing with those other black cements that you just did recently. I think you aged the midsoles. Let me see those, man. Those are so fire. Those are so fire.
Yeah, these are crazy.
Those are fire, man. I don't know how you came up with that colorway as well. Just that blue just pops on that black. That's so sick. Same thing with those yellow laces, man. Those are fire. They're super fire. Same thing with the off-white midsole.
Yeah.
Those are sick.
Nice, man. Came together nice.
Those are super sick. Let's get down to it, man. So a month ago on Rejuvenator Day, I sent over a special kit called Vick in a Box. It had some cool stuff. That display box that you had that had your name on it.
Yeah.
And then of course a blank Air Force One, and then with the one element which was Pink Floyd. The reason why I sent you that element was because in the past I made a Pink Floyd custom as well. You know, I'm like, I want to give Malcom a chance, you know, to see what he does. This is the custom I did a couple years back. Dark Side of the Moon, you know, Air Max 1, you know, added the colors, added the triangle, the little music heartbeat on the toe box, you know, not too bad. I did get a sneak peek of your custom, dude, on Instagram. I was just scrolling by and I'm like, these are freaking fire. Let's show everybody what you got. That is super crispy, man. The colors on those are so clean. So clean.
Hippie mode right here, man.
Dude, you nailed it. You nailed that psychedelic groovy look that you were, I'm sure you were going for, you know, because that's exactly what Pink Floyd is. And that's exactly why I sent you that purple base. I was like, that purple base, I know we can do something with that purple base. Those are super sick. Again, like I feel like I always say this, but that's something I would personally wear. I'm a big Pink Floyd fan. That is freaking sick. That is something if Nike ever collabed with Pink Floyd for some reason, that is something that they would do. You know, that's not nothing over the top.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's something that they would actually do. Nothing over the top, nothing like very custom, you know, because you can tell when customs are like only straight up customs. But there are these customs like that you do, man, that are actual colorways. You know what I'm saying? Like all the stuff on your page, I can definitely see Jordan Brand just ripping it all from your page and just producing it all. You know what I'm saying? Because that's kind of what they do. But that's all stuff that you do, man. It looks like straight up Nike and Jordan Brand production work. You know what I'm saying? But dude, those came out super sick. So what did you do? You just kind of got the Pink Floyd stencils, laid them down, and then just kind of taped everything off, and then added that cool grading effect, right? With purple, the turquoise, the pink color.
What I did was I laid the stencils and I painted around the stencils. So I weeded out what I needed and I put it on the shoe.
Yep.
And then whatever letters I had left over, I just put them one by one, just all over.
Put them all over. Dude, that's super sick. How hard was the grading effect? Because sometimes that grading effect can be a little tricky.
It can be tricky.
You nailed it.
It can definitely be tricky, especially sometimes you probably know you might not get it. That full color in that one area. So, and you know, you got to go back and it's tricky. And then you might go too much.
And it looks different because you have the shoe all taped up. You still have the stencils on. So you just see all these different colors. You don't really see exactly like the purple in the sock liner. You don't see the white sole with the purple. So it's kind of hard to really picture if it looks spot on yet, or do you need to touch it up some more, or if it's, you know, good to go. But once you take that tape off, that's when you know, like, this came out sick. Yeah. That's what's up, man. I'm glad you did those, man. You did a stellar job on those Pink Floyd's customs, man. Got the vibe, that psychedelic, groovy 70s, 60s look with still the shoe, with still the logos, and not making it over the top, making it look like something Nike would produce. Perfect job, dude. You know, keep it up, man. Keep it up. You know, I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you, bro. I really appreciate this opportunity. And when I get out to the West Coast, me and you, we're gonna hang out. For sure.
Dude, Arizona ain't the greatest place, but we'll make it fun.
Bro,
we got the whole headquarters.
I love Arizona, bro. You don't know, man. Like,
have you been to Arizona?
Of course.
Have you been to?
I was there a few months ago. I was in Sedona.
Dude, that's what's up, man. Dude, if you ever come to Arizona, man, or the next time you come out, dude, we'll come to the headquarters, shoot videos, go out, do some fun stuff, whatever you want to do, man. Just let us know whenever you come out here. We'll make it a whole thing.
I'll come visit, man.
Let me know, man, for sure. You know, I already have ideas for, you know, a segment that we can do and stuff. If you ever come into Phoenix, you know, make some videos and just do some cool stuff for YouTube and whatever.
Okay, for sure, man. Arizona, no stranger to me, man.
All right, man. Sounds good. I'll see you soon then, man. I'll talk to you on Instagram as well.
All right, bro.
All right, bro. Have a good one, man.
You too, man. Peace.
Thank you, bro. See ya.
I've been having such a great time with these customizers bringing their customs to life with the limitations that I provided. Last week, John Manalo did a great job with his custom. This week, Malcom Garret absolutely killed it. Again, you guys, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we are giving away some Rejuvenator Soul Shields and some sneaker wipes. All you gotta do to enter is like this video, turn your post notifications on, comment your Instagram handle in the comments down below. Winner will be chosen on October 14th via YouTube Community tab, and winner will be contacted through Instagram. Good luck, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vic Almighty. Catch you guys next time.